break down, to stop working. Example, the car broke down on the highway. Call off, to cancel something. Example, they called off the meeting due to bad weather. Come across, to find or encounter something unexpectedly. Example, I came across an interesting book at the library. Get along, to have a good relationship with someone. Example, I get along well with my co-workers. Go over, to review or examine something. Example, let's go over the details of the plan one more time. Make up, to reconcile after an argument, or to invent or fabricate. Example, they made up after their fight. Put off, to postpone or delay something. Example, they put off the meeting until next week. Take off, to leave the. Example, the plane took off on time. Turn on, to start machinery or electronic devices. Example, she turned on the lights when it got dark. Put up with, to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. Example, I don't know how she puts up.